Hello everybody, HP Trains here, and today I'm at Sandwell Dudley, which is situated on the West Coast main line. I made a mistake in my Smell It Roll Street video. I said it was on the Birmingham to Wolverhampton line. There's no such thing as that. But it's situated on the West Coast main line along with Smell It Roll Street. So here you'll see services by cross country, London Midland, Virgin Trains, and maybe a little bit of freight. Yeah, but I'm looking at this, my real-time trains timetable, and the next train due through is a freight train. So put that on when it comes through. And about to pass through on platform number 2, we have that about to pass through on platform number 2. I think we have that freight train I was just talking about. Bescott to Wolverhampton. That's basically the Warsaw line, Chase line, that's it. Actually, the Chase line's... Okay, well, I'm just going to shut up now. I'm using my camera because my camcorder just goofed on me this morning. Oh no, it's a passing train. Hello? Yeah. And just arrived into platform number 1. We have the 10:04 on the Midland service from Wolverhampton to Warsaw. And just departing now from platform number 1, we have the 10:04 London Midland service from Wolverhampton to Warsaw. 323 222. Warsaw via Birmingham New Street, 323, da, da, da. And about to pass through platform number 2, we have a London Midland service from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street, 350. I think it could be the freight train, I have no idea. The time is now 07, the 10:09 London Midland service. Yeah, what the hell is this yellow line? There's more space taken up by the yellow line from where I can stand to where I can't stand. So what's the point of having a yellow line at all? Oh, it's a class 70. No, it's a freight train from Bescott. C063 DB Schenker. And about to pass through on platform number 1, you have the 10:10 London Midland service from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street, 350. It's just stand behind the yellow line. Here it is, 350. Two 47. And about to pass through platform number 2, we have a London Midland service from Birmingham New Street. The delayed London Midland service from Birmingham New Street to to Liverpool Lime Street, which is a 350. Oh yeah, by the way, to that cross-country driver that gave me that two-tone when I received the phone call, thanks to him for the nice two-tone. here it is. Delayed by approximately. So you have to come through. 350-249. That was delayed by approximately 3 minutes. And about to arrive into platform number 2, we have a London Midland service from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury, serving the 10:13. 170 630. With the first 2 coaches empty. And departing now from platform number 2, we have the London Midland service, which is delayed by approximately 3 minutes again. 17630 from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury. And I suspect about to pass through platform number 1, we have a Mariva Transrail service from Aberystwyth and Barmouth, not Pwllheli, to Birmingham International. 10:19, isn't it? There you go. Not permitted. 2158 probably. This is 2158. Now we pass through with a bit of speed. Here they are. 158-827 and 158-832, but about to arrive into platform number 2. We have a London Midland service from Walsall to Wolverhampton, 35256, serving the 10:19. And just departed from platform number 2, we have the London Midland service from Walsall to Wolverhampton, 350. I forgot the numbers. It'll say on the first tip of it. Yeah. And about to arrive into platform number 2, we have a Virgin train service from London Euston to Edinburgh via Preston. 390-126. Virgin Enterprise. Next stop, Wolverhampton Crew. I don't know. And about to depart from platform number 2, we have the 10:24 Virgin train service from London Euston to Edinburgh, Virgin Enterprise, 390-126. And about to pass through platform number 1, we have a cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly to Bristol Temple Meads. I hate this yellow line. I don't feel safe. The good thing is if you fall, I'll be safe. Look, the shortest drop down ever. There's the departing service. And there's the cross-country service. (220,008) from Manchester Piccadilly to Bristol Temple Meads, and there's the London Euston to Edinburgh. Sandwell Dudley! And just arrived into platform number 1, we have the 10:39-34 service from Wolverhampton into Walsall, and about to pass through on platform number 2 at a rhyme. We have an Aviva Transrail service from Birmingham International to Aberystwyth and Pwllheli. 2158, which is splitting my compass. Calling at Wolverhampton, Telford Central, Wellington, Shrewsbury, and departing now we have the London Midland service from Wolverhampton to Walsall, 3:52.65. And here we have the delayed Raven Train 12 service. Platform number 2. One 158.818 and 158.841 on the rear. And about to pass to platform number 1, we have a London Midland service from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street. Calling at Birmingham New Street only, probably 10:30. And the waiting room's closed. There we go. It is on time. And it's delayed. 3:50.111. And about to pass through on platform number 2, we have a cross-country service from Paynton to Manchester Piccadilly, calling it Stafford. No, I don't know, I'm just going through all the stations from Crewe into Birmingham. And about to pass through platform number 2, we have a cross-country service from Paynton to Manchester Piccadilly that is delayed by 3 minutes so far. Only 4 or 5 by the time it gets through. 2 something. Something. Here it is. 220. 034. The delay 10:38 by 5 minutos. And about to pass through platform number 2, we have the London Midland service from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street, delayed by approximately, I have no idea, but it's delayed because of that cross-country train. It'll be a 3:50. Here it is. $3.52.47. Delayed by 2 minutes. Not bad. And about to arrive into platform number 1, we have a London Midland service from Shrewsbury to Birmingham New Street. It's a 170 because 170 because it's not electrified of that line. As I'm here with Sandwell Dudley, which reminded me of my friend, I'm gonna give a shout out. It's not a shout. I'm just gonna say, like, go subscribe to RS Trains. And if you ever try and put his name into YouTube, RS Trains, it'll come up with NS Trains. You don't want that. You want RS Trains. Go subscribe. He's a brilliant YouTuber, and he's actually the one that I met him at Stafford, and then this is why I'm here today doing this, because when I met him I wasn't doing any of the talking, I was just like filming like this. I wasn't talking, but yeah, I subscribed to him. And 170.64 has just arrived into platform number 1 for the 10:46 London Midland service from Shrewsbury to Birmingham New Street. And about to depart from platform number 1, we have the London Midland service from Shrewsbury to Birmingham New Street on 70.634. To Birmingham and just about to arrive into platform number 2, we have the 10:50 London Midland service from Walsall to Wolverhampton, formed of 3:52.59. And now, just to point from platform number 1, we have a London Midland service from Walsall to Wolverhampton. I've got people in my way because they're idiots. I've lost my timetable again. And about to pass through platform number 1, we have. What do we have? We have a London Midland service from Wolverhampton from Walsall to Wolverhampton, and that was probably the that's Walsall to Wolverhampton. That Arriva Transwales 158.29 was from Shrewsbury to Birmingham International. And about to depart from platform number 1, 2, we have a London Midland service from Walsall to Wolverhampton, formed of 3:50.113. I'm guessing that was the 11:09 service, no, the 11:19 service. And about to push to platform number 1, brilliant one turn off the driver there. We have a cross-country service from Bristol Temple. I just went through. Okay. I went through way before that went off, but that was a cross-country service from Manchester to Bournemouth. No, to Bristol Temple Meads, which I might be doing on a Monday. But for now, this is it.